Hello everyone, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we have come with a new project which is IoT based pH meter. So here for this device we are using a pH meter with a ESP8266 and a 16 cross LCD with the I2C, where we get the pH values of any liquid using a pH meter and it is updated to database and then to the mobile application. Let's go to the hardware kit what I used. Here I have used a node MCU. So for node MCU I have taken a power supply of 5 volts using a 7805. From 7805 we are getting the power supply to LCD display, and for this 7805 the power supply is coming from a buck converter which is L2596, which is giving about 9 volts. I have regulated the voltage to 9 so that I can give the power supply to the pH sensor. The pH sensor I'm using gets a voltage of 9. So let's go to the working of the project. You can see which is aquaculture IoT device, and the pH value it is showing about 7.85. You can see that I have kept my pH sensor in the serve water, so it is a base, so I am getting a value of 7 point change, and which is showing a base. So it is an ESP8266 model, so the value of pH is being updated to my Firebase database, which I'll show you. So I have opened my database. You can see that I am getting a JSON data which is updating for every minute. Here you can see my data. I got 7.22 pH value. I got 7.206. So for every minute, I mean to say, if you change the liquid, it immediately gives the value, changeable value, and you can find a graph and you can show it in your mobile application or website, making it an IoT device. I hope you all like the project. Thank you.